I'm going to share with you 3 bedtime habits that really helped me when I was struggling in my fitness journey. 1, I prepped my lunch and even my breakfast. I would have my meals prepared, ready to go in a Tupperware, and I would just grab it before I would go to work. And even for breakfast, I would prepare overnight oats in a jar, put that in the fridge at nighttime, and it would be ready to go right in the morning. This ensured that I would at least have 2 meals that were healthy in the day, and I wouldn't go to McDonald's and get a sausage egg McMuffin for breakfast or go somewhere for lunch with my coworkers. Prep the night before. 2, contrary to popular practices out there, I did not prevent myself from snacking late at night. I don't like the feeling of being hungry, it just makes me want to binge. It's not a long-term strategy, it's not fun mentally, so I just allowed myself to snack, but on something that was healthy. Berries, nuts, oats, eggs, nothing too high in sugar, too heavy, but things that were satiating. 3, when I was struggling with sleep, I would cut off my electronics an hour before bedtime. Your phone, Netflix, TikTok, those are overstimulating. That's going to keep you up late at night. If you want to build muscle, burn fat, and just be healthy in general, you need to sleep. Sleep plays a major role in your fitness journey. It's important that you get enough of it. That being said, that's a reminder I need to sleep right now. I'm getting really tired, but I hope these tips help you just like it helped me. Have a good night.